Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. As you can see, I'm down at my allotment. It's not a nice day. The weather's been a bit wet and rainy these few days. I wanted to get the grass trimmed down. As you can see, the grass is starting to come up a bit high now because of the rain. It's getting watered, and I started trimming a little bit of it, but the trimmer what I got weren't no good, so I had to invest in a battery one. I was doing that bit with, and it weren't no good, so I had to go and get a petrol one. I've just putting it together now. It's just come, so hopefully I'll get all this trimmed down and make it look all neat. I've got my box here what I had put some of my other potatoes in, and I wanted to get some bloodfish and bone on there and some chicken manure pellets, so I'm going to just do that now while I'm here. I haven't topped this up yet. I want to see it come through first, so once I see it come through, then I'll get some compost and top it up, because these was the potatoes what I had left over. So I'm just putting a sprinkle of bloodfish and bone and chicken manure pellets on the top, and just leave that, let it soak in. Because we're having a lot of rain, it should just soak in by itself. So that'll do for now. Don't want to put too much on it. The way how these potatoes was chitted, I thought I would have seen something come through already, but it's just taken its time. You can see all the beds are still all right. Sorry about the noise in the background. It's got the aeroplanes landing and taking off, so we're always going to have that sound when we're filming. There's nothing I can really do about it, because if I try to work in between, as soon as you get going again, it just starts off again, so you're always going to get that noise in the background. I've invested in some new microphones, as you can see, so hopefully that will cut out some of the wind noise and cut out you not hearing me in the videos. So I'm going to be doing that, and I'm going to be back with you in a minute. Because of the weather and everything, I haven't been able to but now we're coming up to the planting season. So like I was saying in one of the videos, I think it was the second video, that when you come to the allotment, always make your plan. This was a rough plan of what I done before when I just started, and this is one what I've just done now. So I've got all my where my shed is, and all my beds, the measurements of my beds. I've got my fence. You've got where my cloche is at the back, where the water tank is, where the tap is, where the other 3 beds what I've got, the length of them and the size, where they're on path, and then where my compost bin. And this area here, I don't know if I can make that into a work area. I'm going to have to see if I can get permission to trim down that tree a bit, so I'll have that as a work area. The shed, I'm still deciding whether to take that down or what to do with it, because it's leaning to one side. Try pushing it back, but it doesn't want to know, it just keeps going back. I'll show you. You see, when you push it back, you can't really straighten it up without putting support there, and as soon as you let go, it goes back to its place. So I don't know what can be done about that. So either I'll take it down and use the space or what, but I'll see how it goes over the time period. And on your plan, what you should be doing now is working out your plot and the things what you're going to be planting down here. So I've put these down here. My drums over here. This one, I've got one. There's one in there. I've got about three, possibly four deep drums where I'm going to be putting my sweet potatoes in. As you can see, this one's hollow at the bottom, but what you do, you get a bit of weed membrane, or what I might do, I might put this one on the corner here. I might put that one on the corner there, fill it up with compost, dig a little hole around it so it goes down and push it down into the earth, and then try one that way. So that's what I might do with the sweet potatoes. The other things what I'm planning on planting down there, you write down what you're going to think so you roughly know. I'm going to be planting my corn down here. I've got some okras, what I've already started to seed. I've got some chow. That's what you've seen in one of my videos, if it grows. I've got my pumpkins, a mixture of different pumpkins that I'm going to be planting at the top. I'm going to be planting my peppers down, some peppers down here, some cabbage, broccoli, courgettes, all the things that grow out big what I can't put into the containers in my garden. That's what I'm going to be planting down here. Always make sure you work out a plan so you know exactly what you're doing. It might look daunting at first, but once you've prepared everything, my next plan of attack is to get this grass trimmed down. I wanted to do it today, but the grass is wet. But someone said you could have still done it when the grass is wet. But I wanted to try and finish the whole lot in one go. And then I've got to sweep up the grass, what's trimmed, and I want to do all along the sides and everything as well. Get all those out. So like the fencing and all that, I'm just leaving that for now. If I'll get the opportunity to do something with that, then I'll do it and then get that over and done with. But that's how the allotment looks for now. From the last video, what you've seen, there's not much done until when I can get it trimmed. And then once it's trimmed, we've got another couple of weeks, and then I'll start getting in some plants, dig this over, and then start getting in what I need to get into them. And hopefully you'll see all those videos coming up. So please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any suggestions, just let me know in the comment section. Press the notification bell so you'll notice when we get videos out to you. Hopefully I'm trying to get them out as quickly as I can so that you can keep up with us in the garden season. If you see anything different, what you want to see planted, let me know what it is and I can see if I can get hold of it, and then I'll give it a try, whether it's here or at home in the containers. We'll try that and see how it goes. So thanks for watching. I'll see you all on the next one. You take care, and happy gardening to all of you. Thank you.